New battery in. Let's see if it fires up now. Carbs are in. Everything's installed.
This Kawasaki was already deep into a resurrection project. The carbs were back in, major components were installed, and the first complete start was getting close.
So that petcock is working exactly how it should. That they sent me to install in this bike. So we're going to get a first-hand taste of exactly how much power these have. But
for this first start test, the Kawasaki received a HEOMAITO AGM powersports battery.
Fresh battery installation is now in there. Everything's tight. The bolt that was missing there, I found one in my bolt drawer over there, replaced it. All this is fixed in and tight. All this is tight. Everything is routed where it should be. New battery in. Let's see if it fires up now. About to go on its own power. Took a minute to get some fuel to those carbs, but it's picking up pace now. There we go.
After the rebuild and final prep, the Kawasaki was finally running under its own power.